powerful JBL Pro sound. Around the block or across the beach, make your party heard with 240 watts of big JBL Pro sound. Sing, rap, strum, then turn up the bass and watch the dance floor come alive. Light up the night. Mesmerize your crowd with a dazzling, dynamic light show that dances to the beat. With subtle pulsing and powerful strobing effects, there's a setting for every vibe. Keep the party going. Go from the opening act till way past sunrise with 18 hours of music blasting. Battery life. Want to party longer? Just plug the JBL Partybox 310 into an outlet and dance the weekend away. Specs and downloads. Product description. Incredible JBL sound with a dazzling light show. Huge sound, dazzling lights and unbelievable power set this speaker apart from the crowd. The JBL Partybox 310 packs a full party into a transportable, splash-proof sound machine like no other. Turn up your favorite playlists anywhere, from get-togethers at home to dance parties on the beach. Bring big party vibes with 240 watts of JBL Pro sound and a sync light show that grooves to the beat. Plug in and keep the fun going all night or wheel over to the campfire and take advantage of its impressive 18-hour battery life. Start a party with the JBL Partybox 310. Battery. Battery charge time less than 3.5 hours. Battery playtime less than 18 hours. 18 hours battery playtime is only a reference and may vary depending on music content and battery aging after numerous charging and discharging cycles. It's achievable with a predefined music source, light show switched off, volume level at 18 and Bluetooth streaming source. For more updates subscribe to Tech News and share this video.